Let's take a look at this beautiful Cadillac. Cadillac Series 62 convertible. These are just stunning cars. 1950. Actually changed the body style of these. Some made them longer, lower, sleeker. Got that long hood. Some very nice styling changes done. One-piece windshield. This particular car powered by a 331 underneath the hood. That is paired with an automatic transmission. Like what it came from in 1950, same size engine and everything. As you can see, the chrome and bright work, very nice shape. A lot of chrome on the front of these. And the paint, as you can see, it has been restored to a red, let's say just a bright, true kind of fire engine red with a white and red custom interior in it. Just absolutely stunning in this car. See, the paint has a very nice shine to it. Very nice and tidy under the hood and the engine bay and the interior, which we're all check out. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can just take your time, look through it, check out the underside, check out the trunk, look at the top. We have all the still pictures on our website. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. You can click on that. It's going to take you to uniqueclassiccars.com. That's where you can see all the still pictures. You can also call us. If you have any questions, feel free to call us. I'll hit some things in this video, but may miss something. You may have some questions on some things. Give us a call. 507-386-1726 is where we can be reached. This car is riding on American Racing spoke wheels, wide whites, giving it that great 50s look. Now, these would have came with a hydraulic lift window. That has been replaced with electric windows. They go up and down quick. I did notice the switch on this one back here. So the passenger rear, the switch is flip-flopped. You go up and it goes down, you go down and it goes up. Nothing major. Window still works and goes up and down. Now take a look at this dash. White and red interior accents carried throughout the dash. Look around the sides of this car. As far as from the interior door panel standpoint, all the way through to the back seat. You see how nice those red and white accents were done in this one. This car was restored. Now, this bright red, I do not believe would have been an original color in Cadillac in 1950, and is not the original color to this car, but nonetheless, absolutely stunning. Fender skirts, again, come around to the rear where the chrome is. You can see the reflection of the paint. This car will turn some heads wherever you go. Great car to take to your local cruise-ins, shows, stuff for those Sunday drives with the top down. Now, we do have financing available on all our classics we sell. We also consider trades, and we can sure assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. Again, just look at how nice that chrome looks in this car. One of the cool things on these, where do you put the gas in? Right here. Taillight flips up. There's your gas pedal. Closes back up. A little trivia for you. This particular car came from a collection. We bought about a dozen cars from a family. Unfortunately, the husband had passed away, and they downsized the collection and sold some cars out of it. That's where this one came from. We had done some service things to this. It had sat a little while, so we dropped the tank, cleaned the tank, put wheel cylinders in it. Like I said, if you like to know more about this car, feel free to call us, 507-386-1726. And again, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside of this car, it's immaculate. You want to check out the engine bay, the interior, the trunk. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com, or down below this video, click on the link. That's going to take you to the still pictures of it. Let's go ahead and check out this interior a little closer. We'll fire it up. Top's obviously white. That is also in nice shape. Check that out in the still pictures. Like I said, the windows did go up and down. That one switch in the passenger rear was just flip-flopped. Other things I've noticed when I've played around in here a little bit, gauges do work. I did not have the radio working. It appears to be a factory radio. The power top works. So the majority of the components work on the inside. But look at how those door panels are finished off. Very classy, luxury, custom looking interior in this Series 62 convertible. We're going to go ahead and start it up. Power top switch, FYI, is down here. For future reference, these cars, to start them, turn the key. This is actually a start button up here. Let's go ahead. All right, check those gauges out. Everything should be moving now. Obviously, the gasoline went up. Temperature gauge will come up. The temperature, battery, and oil pressure. You can see that also up here to work fine. Here's something a little different than modern cars. Notice your neutral. Put the parking brake on, put it in neutral. There's your drive low, and then reverses all the way down there. I know some people, when they park them, they put them in reverse and then put the parking brake on also. Again, appears to be the factory radio. I have not had that working. A very smooth running car. Unfortunately, the weather here has been a little chilly to take this one out with the top down, so I have not had a chance to personally drive it. Appears like it would be a very nice driver. What you'd expect out of the 331 underneath the hood. I'm going to come around up here. I'm going to pause this video a second. It's going to take me a little bit to open this larger hood. So I'm going to pause this video, pop that hood, and let's check it out underneath there. All right. Look at under here how nice and clean and tidy this is. Look at that engine purr. Like I said, this wasn't storage. We did drop the tank, had the tank cleaned. Got her going, you can see how smooth it runs. 331, power steering underneath there. Overhead cam V8, 5.4 liter, I believe it was. Don't quote me on that one though. Noted the 331 V8. It would have came with standard with an automatic transmission. There you have it. 1950 Cadillac Series 62 convertible. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. That'll take you there. Financing is available. We do consider trades, and of course, we can assist you with getting this beauty to your driveway. Look forward to hearing from you.